Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I built a fully functional app using ChatGPT and the new Codex macOS app for free. I start from a single prompt all the way to a working application. No templates, no manual setup struggles, just AI and Flutter working together. As you can see in the video, I have created an app that is divided into several core sections that organize financial management into clear workflows. The dashboard acts as the main overview screen, displaying total balance, monthly income, and expenses through visual summary cards. The Add Expense section allows users to quickly record income or spending by entering transaction details such as amount, category, date, and notes. The Transactions section lists all recorded activities grouped by date, where users can search, edit, or delete entries efficiently. The Analytics section focuses on financial insights by presenting spending distribution and trends using charts, helping users understand where their money goes over time. The Category Manager enables users to create and customize expense categories for better organization, while the Settings section provides theme switching and general app preferences. Together, these sections create a structured flow covering tracking, management, analysis, and personalization within a single application. Now let's see if AI can actually build a production-ready app step by step. Okay, to begin, I first go to chatgpt.com. First, we need to log in or sign up from the top right corner. If you already have an account, log in. Otherwise, create a new account and follow the steps to access the website. Since I already have an account, I'll now log in to this website. Now from the left menu, I select the Codex option and go to the Codex page. On this page, you can either connect to GitHub or download the app. I'll download the Codex app and wait for it to finish. I'll speed up the video now, and after the download, we'll continue with the steps together. Okay, now I run the downloaded file and install the Codex software. Once installed, I launch it. To enter the software environment, you need to log in to your account again. I'll do that, and you should too in order to use this software. As you can see, I've successfully logged in and entered the software environment. As you can see, the software has various sections where you can adjust settings as needed. But for now, I'll skip these sections. The most important part we're working with is the prompt writing section. Very well, now I'll close the extra tabs and return to the ChatGPT environment. To save time, I use ChatGPT itself to create the prompt for my desired application. I give a brief description to ChatGPT and receive a complete prompt. As you can see, I tell ChatGPT, I want to build an expense tracker app in Flutter using Codex in a single step. Please give me a complete prompt. Now I wait for ChatGPT to process my request. As you can see, it eventually gives me a complete prompt. I copied it and will use it for the Codex software. Now I return to the Codex environment. As you can see, it has selected a default project. From here, you can choose any project, any location, and assign any name appropriate for your project. Now in the prompt box, I replace the text with the prompt I copied and execute it. I wait for my request to be processed. At this stage, it might ask for system permissions initially. Since I had installed the software before, it doesn't ask me for any permissions now. It will also ask various questions to access different Flutter commands and will request permission to access different parts of Flutter commands. Prove any access it needs so it can create and analyze the project for you. Also, while the project is being built, I should explain that right now we haven't made any payment and are using the free version. For large projects, you can't expect excellent results with the free version. If your project is large with many pages, I highly recommend using the paid plans to achieve good results. For larger projects, you need to review different parts. If any section has issues, enter it again in the prompt section so it can fix that part. For large projects, you'll typically need to interact with Codex multiple times to finally reach an ideal output. Very well, I'll speed up the video so the project building stage finishes faster, and we can run and see the built project. Very good, as you can see, the project was successfully built. To run the project, you can use Flutter commands directly or use environments like VS Code or Android Studio. I'll open the project in Android Studio. As you can see, it has implemented the project neatly with a clean structure. Very well, now let's run the project together. I select the iPhone simulator and run the project, then wait for it to launch. As you can see, the project runs successfully. Let's review the different parts of the application together. As you can see, it consists of three main sections: Dashboard, Analytics, and Settings. In the Settings section, you can toggle between light and dark themes and also manage categories from this section. As you can see, it also has the ability to filter by date and search transactions. Very well, now let's add a transaction and check the main functionality together. As you can see, the useful fields are placed in this section. You can add other fields if needed, remove any fields you don't need, or add any other features you have in mind. You just need to submit your request to Codex in the form of a prompt. This AI-powered development workflow is a game changer for quickly prototyping and building Flutter apps. Let me know in the comments what you think and what app you'd like to see built next. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Flutter and AI content.